Yo, good morning. What's up? How we doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We got FOMC today. I completely forgot about that. So I will be here at 2 o'clock. Yeah, market pulling pretty hard. As far as yesterday, crazy day. Accidentally made $9,000 on Tesla, which was stupid. Basically what happened, you guys heard me in the live voice. I was saying that I tried to do Tesla puts. I tried to cancel and replace the order. The order wasn't canceled, or it said it canceled, but it showed the order was sitting there in the working orders twice. Closed my Thinkorswim, went to reset it and everything. And when I opened my Thinkorswim again, I had no idea that I got filled on this order. And it was much later in the day that I went to go look and see how my USO position was doing. I clicked on the monitor tab and I saw that it actually doubled the order for Tesla. So I had 10 contracts total when I meant to only buy 5 on the break below the pre-market lows that we were looking for yesterday. So it filled me on 10 contracts. Now, you know, it's cool, yes, that I made a little over 9 grand on that Tesla, but it wasn't like a trade that I don't even know how to explain it. It wasn't a trade that I wanted to put on, right? It would be much better if I could sit here and say I took a beautiful trade yesterday and made $9,000. This was a complete, I guess, glitch with Thinkorswim where it filled my orders twice, even though I canceled them. Now you guys also got to think, what if it went the other way? There was over $24,000 put into that trade. I didn't want $24,000 put in that trade. If Tesla pumped and I went and looked at the monitor tab at the same time, but Tesla was up in price, I probably wouldn't be live today, and I probably wouldn't be live for the rest of the week because I would be sick to my stomach if I lost 9,000 instead. So, again, yes, it's cool that I made that money, but very, very lucky. I want to stress that. Like, I'm not excited about that trade. If anything, I'm going to just take the money out and put it in my bank account. But yeah. I was shaking when I saw that. But yeah. Crazy day yesterday. Definitely got lucky, and thank God I did. Anyways. New day. Let's actually take some real trades today. And yeah, we got FOMC at 2 o'clock, and let's see if we got any other economic news today. Let's see. Today's the 25th. Durable goods at 8:30. Capital equipment orders. We got another Fed speaker at 12:15, and then the FOMC minutes at 2. Perfect. Okay, yeah, so if you guys could real quick before we make the watch list, make sure to click that like button, and if you are not, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. I don't know why, but my throat is hurting this morning. But as far as, we'll do the disclaimer here in a minute. First off, if you did not see yesterday's video, make sure you guys go watch that. I talk about my top 5 trading books. And then hold on. I want to block out the swing trade for the ones that are not in the Discord server. There we go. Okay, so as far as everything I told you guys to watch yesterday, everything went according to plan. The very first thing I said was watch coin. There was a 1 hour and 4 hour squeeze looking to fire down. I was looking for a break below 64.10 for puts, price target 62.35, and then 60.5. If we pull up coin, 1 hour squeeze fired down, and coin actually went all the way to a low of, was that yesterday? Oh, no. Where is yesterday? Let's see, 59.3. So coin, absolutely beautiful, went according to plan. I know people banked off of that. Tesla was bouncing around that 650 psych number. I was looking for the break below. Price target 645, 638.06, 633, 622.41. Again, a 1 hour squeeze looking to fire down. That was absolutely beautiful. Hey, good morning, what up? AMD, same thing, another 1 hour squeeze, looking to fire down, looking for a break below 92.85 for puts. Price target 90.92, 89.46. Anything after that was free game. If we pull up AMD, went all the way down pretty much to that price target, like 89.5. So it fell 4 cents short and then bounced for the day. Didn't go any lower. And then I also said QQQ had a nice 4 hour squeeze looking to fire down. As you guys know, with QQQ, it dropped significantly yesterday. And the same thing with SPY. There was a SPY squeeze as well on the 4 hour that did fire down. So everything was a banger yesterday. Hopefully you guys profited. Anyways, let's make it bank by accident. Again, it's cool that I made the money, of course, but wasn't like a legit trade that I don't even know how to explain it. It wasn't something that I wanted to be in that heavy. Again, I could have lost $24,000 possibly. Anyways, AEP, hold on, we want this. AEP completely missed the swing. I wanted it so bad, was watching this thing for like 2 weeks. If you guys watch those Sunday watch lists, I literally have had this thing on the watch list for like 2 weeks in a row. And yeah, completely missed it. A little irritated about that, but hey, we will move on. BNO, Brent oil. Looks like it might actually break out today. Looking for a swing there, break above the trend line. Coin, we need the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Let's see, hold on. Let's start off by looking at SPY and QQQ real quick. Get a sense of direction. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button though. If you guys want the watch list posted in the chat, you guys gotta make sure to run it up to 150 likes. Anyways, we still have that 4 hour squeeze on QQQ that is not fired down. Tried to fire down yesterday, but I guess it did not. So with QQQ, let me get a clean chart. Posted in the chat for everybody. QQQ 4 hour squeeze has yet to fire down. All right, so there's QQQ. Wait, no, this is SPY, not even QQQ. Whoops. SPY. Yet to break down. And then QQQ. Same thing, 4 hour squeeze, yet to fire down. QQQ, same thing. Yeah, I'm a little blind. It's okay. Okay, so we know that there's a 4 hour squeeze. We know it's below the moving averages. Odds are the squeeze will fire down. But yet again, it's not a guarantee. If we're looking at the daily price action, the daily price action is looking super bullish, in my opinion. But yeah, we do want to keep an eye on that 4 hour squeeze below all the moving averages. We know how it is. Usually if it's stacked down and there's a squeeze with dark blue momentum or red, the odds are higher that it will fire down. So I will be watching that. And let's see, start going with the swing trades. Dow, not interested. EXC was something I was looking at for a swing, but completely missed that. That has to do with the utilities as well. Facebook gapped down yesterday. Looks like it's breaking below this little flag right here. Delete that trend line. Boom, boom. Any squeezes? No. Okay, so possibly Facebook below 179.3. Let me pull up the Discord to myself. Hold on. Facebook. JKS almost giving me my breakout. Just waiting on this thing. It looks super, super bullish. If we can break out of that weekly symmetrical triangle, weekly squeeze should fire. So definitely keeping my eye there. Let's see, at or above, boom. Keep JKS on watch. Microsoft looks like it gapped down a little bit. Hold on, we'll get to the disclaimer in a hot minute. Microsoft maybe. Netflix is down $1.50. Would be interested below yesterday's low. Nice 4-hour squeeze. Actually, what is that? That's around $1 move below the moving averages. That's a possibility. Actually, Netflix. PGR missed that swing trade as well. Slumberger missed that one. USO still holding. USO has got to be the biggest pain when it comes to swing trades, because this thing will just not go. I just want the squeeze to fire. Looking at the 3-day time frame, it looks super bullish. Super bullish. Just wanted to fire. That's all I want. But there was news today that there was like a tightening in the oil supply. So I do think prices might go up, taking USO with it. Anyways, there's the priority week. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 155 people in here and only 83 likes, so more than, or almost half of you have not clicked that like button. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, you got to make sure to click that like button. Run it up to 150. Anyways, Apple. We'll get to SQ here in a hot minute. Apple, honestly, I wouldn't be interested unless it broke below yesterday's low. AMD. Where'd that 89.46 come from? That's the question. We'll just clear all this. Okay, so AMD, I'd be more interested below yesterday's low. Looks like that 30-minute squeeze is firing down. Put AMD on there. Boeing. Oops. Not really interested in Boeing. Been a minute since we traded Boeing too. Baba, they report tomorrow morning. That squeeze did fire down yesterday. I believe we talked about that in the live stream. But Baba, not worried about. How'd everybody do yesterday though? You guys make money? You guys lose money? You take no trades? Let me know. Let's see. Yeah, coin not interested in. Costco, no liquidity. We looked at Facebook. We looked at Microsoft, Nvidia. Oh, they report. This would be a big boy trade. What are those contracts at? They're actually not as expensive as I thought they would be. They're actually really cheap. We already looked at SPY. Yeah, Nvidia below 159. I'd be pretty interested. And yeah, for the remainder of the week, I'm going to be trading with my small account just because I already hit the weekly goal. So there's not really a reason to try to go heavy anymore for this week, at least. You know, that's just basic risk management rules for me. So I'm going to trade with the small account. It's got like 7.6K in it. So I'm going to trade around with that. See what I can make of it. Don't really want to risk too many gains. Let's see, PayPal, if it cracked 77.2, it's got liquidity in a 75 puts. So PayPal, yeah, I don't know why the Nvidia contracts are so cheap for earnings. Usually they're like mad expensive. Roku's actually about to break the yearly low. Or maybe it did. Hold on. What's it at? 75.12 is the break. I just set an alert. At or below. Accidentally bought 10 contracts. But I meant to only have 5. SQ below 74.16. I mean, really straight drop down back to the yearly lows. Where is liquidity? You don't get liquidity until the 70 puts. $500 for Nvidia contracts when they report earnings tomorrow is like stupid cheap. Again, they're usually like $1,000 to $1,500 when earnings comes around. I do like SQ below 74.16. It just depends if it drops all the way down to that level. I don't care about Target. Are the Tesla contracts small account friendly today? No. Maybe if we went with the 600 puts. Went right to that monthly pivot though. No, I said it. I literally said it in Team Bull too, in the live voice. I even said it on my Twitter. Tesla, it's speaking to me. Maybe. Big question mark next to Tesla. Anyways. Exxon still has, what is that? I really like that Exxon. 94.8. We can look at Chevron. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 170 people and only 105 likes. Gotta run it up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Chevron, maybe. We can look at some other oil names. Oxy. Nice 4-hour squeeze. Up arrow, up arrow. 65.81 has me interested. What was the level? 65.81. There's really good open interest in the 66. Oxy, love. All right, cool. I think that's the watch list for the day. ZM. I will say Zoom has got a lot of squeezes. 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze, 30-minute squeeze. I just don't like trading Zoom. It's been a long time since I traded Zoom actually. But you want to know about that 95.72 level. You can see it was resistance multiple times. It could fire up. Again, watch 95.72. Maybe take it back to yesterday's high at 97. But other than that, not interested in Zoom. And then I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Maybe CRWD. Depends if there's liquidity. Tesla is not small account friendly, buddy. $137.05. Yeah, there's no liquidity. All right. Pretty big watch list of stocks I like. Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, AMD, Nvidia, PayPal, SQ, Tesla with a big question mark, Exxon, and Oxy. Why does it do this every time? Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button as well as clicking the subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. What was I about to pull up? Oh yeah, the futures. ES and Q. Oh yeah, the numbers dropped. I didn't even look at that. Hold on. Let me find the numbers. Oh, U.S. natural gas futures extend gains. Prices up by 5%, highest since August 2008. The Treasury yield falls to 2.7%, the 10-year, which is good, meaning TLT is going to go up. Remember, I've been talking about that TLT. If it breaks that bear flag, more than likely people are going to flood into it, and SPY and QQQ have been tending to follow TLT, which is good. Where are the numbers at? U.S. durable goods orders 0.4% estimate, 0.6%, previous 1.1%. U.S. durable X transportations 0.3% estimate, 0.5%, previous 1.4%. Sheesh. Hold on. Let's take a look at UNG real quick. Dang, UNG is gone. This is natural gas. If you want to trade natural gas, if you see, stuff about natural gas setting up for a next move, just trade UNG. Cool. One second, hold on. All right. Let's make the watch list. Let's see what we can find today. Again, I'm pretty bearish. The market could go the complete opposite way for all I know. But I'm going to take what I see today and hopefully make some trades off of it. So we will start with Facebook. Got the 1 hour bear flag breakdown. 170, 179.3 has me interested. Break below there. 178.03. Yesterday's low at 176.11. That's what I want. And then 172.79. Boom. Yep, I know J Powell speaks today. Facebook, love. I just don't want the futures to dump. That's the issue when we got economic news literally all the time. Futures dump. I would say I like the mic. Actually, hold on. Yeah, I like the Microsoft, or not the Microsoft, the Facebook setup more. Unless Microsoft were to break below this level, then I'd be interested. But as of now, I like Facebook more. So I'm gonna take Microsoft off. Netflix. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 180 people in here and only 130 likes. Netflix, I like it below 178.11. I didn't even check the liquidity. 175s and 170s are good. Straight shot to yesterday's low, 177.17. 176.08, which is going to be the weekly pivot. Boom. I like Netflix. Right now we're just doing process of elimination, then I'll find the 4 that I like the most. AMD. Again, yesterday's low. I really like that. Nice daily squeeze, looking to possibly fire down. What's that? 87.6. 86.43. I like that below yesterday's low. AMD, like. Nvidia. That 159 level. And again, these contracts are really cheap for earnings being today. The 155s, where did Nvidia close? 160.82. It's at 160, so really the contracts didn't move too much. The 155 should be around like 450 bucks. Good morning. Yeah, like the video. Again, channel members, I greatly appreciate you guys as always. Nvidia, I'll put a question mark next to that one. PayPal. 77.12 is interesting. $75.82. Might get more of a move on SQ, however. SQ. 74.16. Have to go with the 70 puts, so those are like really far out of the money. But how much SQ moving a day? $9.36. I think we could get a nice move off of this. The yearly low is pretty much at that 127 extension. It fell a penny short. No. Like 20 cents short. Anyways, I like SQ if it can break 74.16. I did not mess that one up. So I like SQ. I like PayPal. Tesla. Might have to refrain myself from trading this, but Tesla does look really good below 617.25 for puts. I think I might do it. I don't know. What's Tesla have room to? It's like literally sitting at that pivot. If it loses that pivot, this thing, it's going. It's dropping. There's so many setups today, though. I pretty much like everything on this list. Exxon. Nice 30-minute squeeze. This moves $3.06 a day. We got room to 95.65. $95.29, my bad. All right, so this one moves $3 a day. Oxy moves, let's see, $3.71 a day. Interesting. Okay, so let's do this. Literally, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 setups that I really like today, and we can only limit it down to 4. So what looks to be the highest probability setup for the day? Is Bill Gates short on Tesla? I didn't even know that. The best looking setups. Honestly, I kind of prefer Nvidia over the AMD. Nvidia is just going to be a little more expensive, but I think I prefer it. 57.55. The average true range will show you. Yeah, honestly, I prefer Nvidia. So we'll take AMD off. Oops. Nvidia. Looking for a break below 159.10 for puts. Price target equal 157.55, 155.67. Below there is free money. Cool. There's Nvidia. Dang, 300 million short. Is that true? PayPal just sent an alert. SQ. SQ's a maybe. We'll come back to that one a little closer to market open. Tesla. Maybe. All right, let's see. Do we like the Exxon setup or the Oxy setup? I think I might go with the Exxon. I think Exxon looks a little better. You can watch Oxy though. Oxy's definitely, it has that squeeze. But I prefer Exxon over Oxy. Maybe a bounce at like 94.07. I have to double check that one with Jade on. 94.07. 500 mil. Wow. Where's that daily pivot at? 96.09. 96.33. Cool. All right. Exxon looking for calls above 94.8. Price target equal 95.29, 95.65, 96.09, 96.33. Also looking for a bounce at, can't type, a bounce at 94.08. All right, there's Exxon. Do I actually know you? I love it. What are the futures doing? Yes, I will post a list here in a minute. Futures are trying to come up. They are trying. We'll see though. Again, personally, I'm pretty bearish. But you know, the market tends to do whatever. So if the market does pump today, obviously I'll be looking for some upside moves. And then give me 1 second. There we go. Go back to that Facebook. I like this below 179.3. Not really interested in the calls. Maybe it comes back and it tests that 1 hour 21 EMA. Let's see, we could get a dollar move there. SQ, a crack below 74.10. Tesla's so interesting right here. I'm just gonna set an alert. Honestly, I think the rest of the stuff I'm kind of gonna have to wait till market open. Actually, we're gonna put Facebook out now, and then the rest I'll wait till market open. Facebook looking for a break below 179.3. It recently broke below 1 hour bear flag. Price target to the downside equals 178, 176.11, 172.79. Cool. So that's going to be what I'm going to watch for the day. I might have one or two more out a little closer to market open. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, let's make some money today. If you guys are a channel member, you're gonna get all this stuff posted in the community here in a hot minute. If you're in the chat, here's this very quickly. Nvidia, Exxon, Facebook. And then if you guys are not in the Discord and you want to know exactly when I'm entering these trades and exiting and getting all my swing trade alerts with live voice and everything throughout the day, let me drop that link in here real quick. Hold on. There it is. Here's a link to join the Discord, or follow me on Instagram, sign up for a one-on-one. My book link is going to be in there whenever the pre-orders go up, etc., etc. Everything you need to know about me is in that link right there. So if you guys want to join, there's that. Other than that, make sure you guys do watch some of my recent videos. I've been dropping a lot of heat recently, so if you have not seen them, I feel sorry for you. But yes, a disclaimer real quick. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Again, everything is based on my opinion, so make sure to do your own due diligence and make sure to use your own risk management. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day. Let's run it up. I'll be live tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Peace out.